हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल MS सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज के इस लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को MCQ ऑन स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन बताने वाला हूं, जो कि सेकेंड यूनिट है थ्योरी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स का। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। मैं और ईशान सर आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम से पहले हर सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर MCQ प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक MCQ ऑन स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन। Question number 1. The maximum deflection due to uniformly distributed load W per unit length over entire span of a cantilever of length L and of flexural rigidity EI is option A WL cube by 3EI, option B WL raised to 4 by 3EI, option C WL raised to 4 by 8EI, option D WL raised to 4 divided by 12EI. The right answer is WL raised to 4 divided by 8EI. Question number 2. At any point, angle made by tangent drawn to the deflection shape of a beam with horizontal is called dash at that point. Option A deflection, option B slope, option C both deflection and slope, option D none of these. The right answer is slope. Question number 3. What is the unit of slope? Option A meter, option B centimeter, option C radian or degree, option D none of these. The right answer is radian or degree. Question number 4. At any point, vertical distance between the axis of original beam and the axis of deflected beam is known as dash at that point. Option A deflection, option B slope, option C both deflection and slope, option D none of these. The right answer is deflection. Question number 5. At the free end of cantilever beam, deflection is option A maximum, option B minimum, option C 0, option D none of these. The right answer is maximum. Question number 6. At the free end of cantilever beam, slope is option A maximum, option B minimum, option C 0, option D none of these. The right answer is maximum. Question number 7. At cantilever beam of span L carrying point load W at free end, slope at free end will be option A WL raised to 3 by EI, option B WL square by 2 EI, option C WL raised to 3 divided by 6 EI, option D WL raised to 4 by 8 EI. The right answer is WL raised to 2 divided by 2 EI. Question number 8. Simply supported beam with 4-meter span is subjected to a point load of 24 kN at center. Find maximum slope and deflection of the beam. Take E is equal to 2.4 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per mm square and I is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to 8 mm raised to 4. Option A 0.022 radian, 3.25 mm. Option B 0.0020 radian, 2.78 mm. Option C 0.0054 radian, 4.12 mm. Option D 0.0012 radian, 5.54 mm. आप लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए दो फॉर्मूले यूज करने पड़ेंगे। एक फॉर्मूला लगेगा WL स्क्वायर बाय 16 EI और दूसरा फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा WL3 डिवाइड बाय 48 EI। जब आप लोग ये दो फार्मूला यूज करके ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करोगे तो आप लोग को आंसर मिलेगा। आपके पास W की वैल्यू गिवन है 24 किलो न्यूटन, L की वैल्यू गिवन है 4 मीटर 16 और EI 16 कांस्टेंट है, EI की वैल्यू भी आपके पास गिवन है। इसी तरह से WL3 डिवाइड बाय 48 EI के लिए W आपको 24 लेना है, L 4 लेना है, 48 कांस्टेंट है, EI की वैल्यू आपके पास गिवन है। जब आप लोग सॉल्व करोगे तो आपके पास आंसर आएगा 0.0020 रेडियन, 2.78 mm. Question number 9. Calculate maximum deflection for a cantilever beam of a span 4 meter subjected to point load of 23 kN at free end of a span. Take E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. I is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 7 mm raised to 4. ये 10 raised to 5 है, सॉरी 10 raised to 5 है, 105 नहीं है, 10 raised to 5 है और यहाँ पे 10 raised to 7 है। ऑप्शन ए 47.56 mm, ऑप्शन बी 41.55 mm, ऑप्शन सी 40.88 mm, ऑप्शन डी 40.20 mm। आप लोगों को ये सॉल्व करने के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा WL/3/3EI। ये फॉर्मूला आप लोग सॉल्व करोगे, इससे आप लोग को आंसर मिलेगा 40.88 mm। यहाँ पे W की वैल्यू आपके पास गिवन है 23 किलो न्यूटन, L की वैल्यू आप लोगों को लेना है 4 मीटर, 3 कांस्टेंट है, EI और की भी वैल्यू आपके पास गिवन है। Question number 10. The product of modulus of elasticity and moment of inertia is called as option A polar moment, option B flexural rigidity, option C stiffness, option D modulus of rigidity. The right answer is flexural rigidity. Question number 11. A simply supported beam of span L carrying UDL of W on entire span, deflection at center will be option A WL square by 16 EI, option B WL to 3 by 48 EI, option C WL to 3 by 24 EI, option D 5 WL to 4 by 384 EI. The right answer is 5 WL to 4 by 384 EI. Question number 12. A simply supported beam of span L carrying point load W at center of span, deflection at center will be option A WL square by 16 EI, option B WL to 3 by 48 EI, option C WL to 3 by 24 EI, option D 5 WL to 4 by 384 EI. The right answer is WL to 3 by 48 EI. Question number 13. What is the unit of flexural rigidity? Option A kilonewton per mm square, option B Newton mm square, option C mm square, option D kilonewton. The right answer is Newton mm square. Question number 14. A simply supported beam carries uniformly distributed load of 20 kN per meter over the length of 5 meter if flexural rigidity is 30,000 kN mm square. What is the maximum deflection at the beam? Option A 5.4 mm, option B 1.08 mm, option C 6.2 mm, option D 8.6 mm. आपको ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा 5 WL to 4 by 384 EI। जब आप लोग सॉल्व करोगे इस फॉर्मूले से आपका आंसर आएगा 5.4 mm। 5 कांस्टेंट है, W की वैल्यू आपके पास 20 किलोन्यूटन गिवन है, L की वैल्यू भी आपके पास गिवन है 5, 384 कांस्टेंट है, EI की वैल्यू भी आपके पास गिवन है। Question number 15. Which of the following statement is are true for a simply supported beam? Option A deflection at support in a simply supported beam is maximum. Option B deflection is maximum at point where slope is 0. Option C slope is minimum at support in a simply supported beam. Option D all of the above. The right answer is deflection is maximum at point where slope is 0. Question number 16. The vertical distance between the axis of the beam before and after loading at a point is called as option A deformation, option B deflection, option C slope, option D none of the above. The right answer is deflection. Question number 17. Which of the following is a differential equation for deflection? Option A dy by dx is equal to m by ei, option B dy by dx is equal to mi by e, option C d2y by dx square is equal to m by ei, option D d2y by dx square is equal to me divided by e. The right answer is d2y by dx square is equal to m by ei. Question number 18. Macaulay's method is used to determine option A reflection, option B strength, option C toughness, option D all of the above. The right answer is reflection. Question number 19. In the slope deflection equation, the deformation are considered to be caused by option A bending moment, option B shear force, option C axial force, option D none of the above. The right answer is bending moment. Question number 20. A cantilever beam of span L carrying UDL W all over slope will be option A WL to 3 divided by 3 EI, option B WL square by 2 EI, option C WL to 3 by 6 EI, option D WL to 4 by 8 EI. The right answer is WL to 3 by 6 EI. Question number 21. At the fixed end of cantilever beam, deflection is Option A maximum, option B minimum, option C 0, option D none of the above. The right answer is 0. Question number 22. At the fixed end of cantilever beam, slope is option A maximum, option B minimum, option C 0, option D none of these. The right answer is 0. Question number 23. When value of EI is more, then deflection of beam is option A more, option B equal, option C less, option D none of the above. The right answer is less. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.